guys, what's up? In today's video, I will be trying a recipe from the Body Reset diet. If you guys have heard about this diet, this is the diet that Jessica Simpson was on, and she lost over 100 pounds in 6 months. So I'm gonna try one of the recipes and see how it tastes and show you how easy and simple it is to make. Stay watching.
I've been pushing work all summer.
So before I jump into this video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell right now so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. So this is going to be the Pina Colada Smoothie, and I'm going to put my own little twist on it. The recipe calls for 1 orange peeled. And look, I didn't have orange, so I had, little tangerines. I'm using 2 of them, dropping them in. Next, it calls for 1/3 cup coconut milk, and I do not have coconut milk, but I am using almond milk. And I had this in the freezer previously, so 1/3 cup, and I did have this in the freezer. Scoop of protein powder, any protein powder will do. So here's my scoop. Next, 1 banana, and this was in the freezer as well. And 1 cup pineapple chunks. And here we go. Wow, guys, this is amazing. I've always made smoothies and I've had to add sugar or honey to it. I didn't add anything to sweeten this other than the fruits, and the almond milk had a little bit of sugar in it, but this smoothie is amazing. And what I love about it is that, by incorporating the protein powder, that gives you that protein that you need. This is definitely something that you can have in the morning for breakfast. I have not had breakfast yet for the morning. I got up and I did my little workout, and then I jumped into my protein shake, and this is fabulous. I'm gonna have this for breakfast, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna have for lunch and dinner, but I know that I'm off to a good start. This is really, really amazing. And all of my breastfeeding moms out there, this is super nutritious for your body and for your milk supply. I would say give this a try. This is totally amazing. Well, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to share this video with a friend or 2. Guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Smooches until next time. Mwah, 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 mwah.